It is the 13th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories.
Today's main story is about the sale of the Los Angeles Lakers.
3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, Caroline Leavitt quitte la Maison Blanche. Caroline Leavitt leaves the White House.
A big change in Washington.
Next, Brian Maggio débute avec Aston Villa. Brian Maggio makes his debut with Aston Villa.
A first match in Austria.
And Andy Burnham demande l'arrêt des barbecues jetables. Andy Burnham asks for the stopping of disposable barbecues.
Now, time for today's main story.
Here is today's headline. Mark Walter vend sa majorité des Lakers. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand.
Mark Walter vend sa majorité des Lakers. Mark Walter sells his majority of the Lakers. Vendre is the verb. Vendre. To sell, the word majorité means the biggest part or the majority. Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Mark Walter vend sa majorité des Lakers. Mark Walter sells his majority of the Lakers. Vendre is the verb. Vendre, to sell.
Les nouveaux acheteurs arrivent. The new buyers arrivent. Acheteur comes from the buy family, from acheter.
Le club vaut 12,5 milliards de dollars. The club is worth 12,5 billion dollars. 12,5 is the spoken form of 12,5.
Walter avait acheté le club en octobre, puis il vend sa majorité. Walter had bought the club in October, then he sells his majority. Puis means then.
L'année dernière, le club valait 10 milliards de dollars. Last year, the club was worth $10 billion. Today's word is valait. Say it with me, valait. The French A in this word is soft and open. Now for the pattern of the day. Vendre. To sell, je vends. Tu vends. Il vend. Nous vendons. Vous vendez. Ils vendent. The headline uses the il form, vend. One last time, at full speed, Mark Walter vend sa majorité des Lakers. Now you... Here is your question form for today. Combien de milliards de dollars vaut le club? How many billions of dollars is the club worth? Combien de? Counts things and d comes straight before the noun. The everyday pattern is il y a combien d'enfants? Which means how many children are there? Is it A, 12,5, 10 or C, 13?
I will not tell you which one. Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.